A lot of tough decisions have to be made by the project manager while creating the schedule. These will include the development approach to be adopted, how the phases will be designed, how the activities will be broken up, the design of the schedule, which resource will be assigned to what tasks, and so on. The important point here is that the project manager should avoid unilateral decisions and rather get the consensus of the team on technical aspects. This will ensure a proper buy-in from the project team. In this lesson, we will discuss a decision-making technique called as fist to 5. This is a variation of the simple voting method. In this method, the project manager asks the team members to show their level of support for a certain decision to be made. Each team member can show their level of support from one of 6 choices. A closed fist means I vote no, or it indicates a strong opposition to the decision. One finger means I will barely go along. It indicates non-agreement but does not want to block a decision. 2 fingers means I don't like this very much, but I will go along with what the others want. 3 fingers means I am in the middle. It can also mean I don't know enough either sides to make a decision. 4 fingers means I am fine with this decision. And 5 fingers means I like this decision very much. It is the best possible decision. The major advantage of fist to 5 voting technique is that it moves a team from simple quantity voting to quality voting. If a team member holds up lesser than 3 fingers, then they are given an opportunity to discuss their objections with the team. The project manager continues the discussion until a consensus is reached by the whole team, or they agree to move on to the next decision. This technique can be used in both agile and traditional development approaches. And with that, I will conclude this lesson.